I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Hambur JR. Hambur JR is known for their homemade burgers, which is now available for delivery. And I am to try their top 3 bestsellers: the Hambur JR, the Prodigal Son, and the Hula burger. And lastly, they sent me also this bacon fries. Yes, na-excite na gudayon ko. Fries. I really love fries. Yan, napadyoy bacon. Oh, what can we ask for? So for that, let's open first the Hambur JR. So actually, this is like a classic homemade cheeseburger but with a twist. So sa kay twist ani niya. Let us try to find out later. And now, let's try to open their Hula Burjr. So in other words, kay since na may Hula, so more gyud siya Hawaiian-ish. And I could see nga nagyud siya, of course, bacon and naasay pineapple. And lastly, their Prodigal Son. So ang Prodigal Son, murag dako-dako lagi ni siya. And wow, double patty siya. So di ba gibaliktad jud ako para dili siya mabungkag. So it is like a double patty burger. So wow. And yes, grabe kay siya ka-cheesy, and the sauce is really overflowing also. So murag wait, mo nagyunay na akong favorite. Pretty ko sure bro, maganahan sa ko sa Hula-ish kay because guys, I really like pineapple on my food. You can have this Prodigal Son for 150 pesos, and this Hambur JR for 100 pesos, and this Hula Burjr for 120 pesos, and this bacon fries for 100 pesos only. And to order, you may just message the official social media accounts of Hambur JR in Facebook and in Instagram. For that, mga ona dayon ta guys. So what I am trying first is of course ang Hambur JR. So mo gyud nilang classic nga homemade cheeseburger but with a twist. So unsa iyang twist? Actually first gyud akong na-notice kay naagis like cucumber. So na cucumber, so murag lami siya din. Murag pag siya white sauce. So murag mo siya lami. And mag-fries gyud dayon ta, the bacon fries. Kanang murag kuwang siya. Joke lang. Wala na. Fries as they can all. With the oil, let's go now to the Hula Burjr. So, again, this is since Hula. So, murag it's an aloha twist. So, naagin ni siya pineapple. And, what I've noticed, consistent siya aside from the typical murag burger sauce. Murag nasa gusto nilang sauce ng murag white sauce nila nga overflowing sa nilang cheese. And guys, I don't know. I really like pineapple good. Then, balik na sa fries. Bacon fries good. And lastly, let's try the Prodigal Son. So this Prodigal Son is like it's a double patty burger. Nya lettuce, nagapoy secret sauce, and yes, kanang may bacon. Kanang gusto na ko i-appreciate ang bacon alone lang sa kay double patty kay di kina ko ma-appreciate ang bacon and gimingaw ko bacon. So dun sa gid ako siya daan. Anyways guys, this burger can also come in a 10-inch size. So imagine that. But guys, always remember to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating and to follow me on all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!